I work in the technology department for the SFPD. We're responsible for making sure the officers and the sworn staff and civilians have technology they need to do their jobs. That includes body-worn cameras, infrastructure, servers and equipment, reporting environments and GIS environments. The San Francisco Police Department's journey writing incident reports started off using paper. They would write the incident report on a paper incident form, and then it would get hand-typed into our mainframe system. When we went to electronic reporting, that's when the need became very important to have a business intelligence environment, because we're collecting so much rich data. So the technology department put together a high availability environment that collects the data and puts it into a transactional database. We took Oracle Business Intelligence and created ETLs that took the data and transformed it and created it into star schemas to create a central repository for all SFPD reporting. And that's expanded, going to Oracle Analytics Cloud. Prior to using business intelligence software from Oracle, it would take 5 to 10 days to create one specific dashboard. 80 plus hours a month with different staff has been brought down to less than 1 minute. It freed a lot of hours up to do crime solving. Before, to get information out of a report, you had to manually read reports, tie them together, which could take a lot of time. Well, when it's all centralized in one repository, it's then instantaneous. So if I want to look for, someone wearing a blue coat and a red hat, I wouldn't have to search through 40 different reports and then maybe find someone that has a blue coat and a red hat, when I could just type in blue coat, red hat, get my results within seconds. So we actually use business intelligence and Oracle Analytics with the data that was spanned across the different environments. We're able to find what we needed to help come to a conclusion of who was involved in a case. Prior to having these business intelligence solutions, you couldn't do that. You had to wait, 2-3 weeks to get data from 2 months ago. Now I could give you data from midnight last night. I can give you data from 2 minutes ago, even. You have up-to-date information when you're trying to solve a crime. What crimes are happening in the city, and also provide that data for the public so they can see what's going on. These tools help us provide transparency and help keep the city safe.